See my pinky, see my thumb, see my fist, you better run, but wait, come back. You need a tic-tac, not one, not two, but the whole six-pack. Sorry to be mean, but you need a mystery, not a sip, not a cup, not a sip, not a...
I was busy thinking about cats, cats, cats. I was busy dreaming about cats, cats, cats. A dip in the pool, a trip to the spa, and this days in my sheets, the whole world according to moi. I was busy thinking about cats, cats, cats. I was busy dreaming about cats.
Hey, kitty.
Hey.
What'd you do today?
Nap.
How many hours did you get today? 23 again?
Yes.
Well, that's nice. What are you planning on doing now?
Nap.
Are you serious?
Yep.
More napping.
Uh-huh.
Today's cat fact. Cats have the stereotype of not being very emotionally attached to their owners. However, the section of our brain and the section of the cat's brain responsible for emotions are identical. So we're both sociopaths.
Tengo una nota, no la toca ni Beethoven. Tengo una nota, no la toca ni Beethoven. Tengo una nota, no la toca ni Beethoven. Cuando estoy arrebatado, los ojitos se me ponen. Tengo una nota.
Dej mi high five. Já vím, že se předvádíš. Jsi naštvaný hodně. Mám ti něco koupit? Počkej, já ti koupím cokoliv, co chceš. Dobře, dneska, když to vydržíš to video, koupím ti kostičky. Dobře, nedám ti nic.
Bitch, I look like I'm fresh off the runway. Bitch,
Is it just me, or has anybody ever had to explain to somebody that no, I wasn't a cutter, I don't cut myself, but the scars on my arms are because I have two furry little assholes that don't know the difference between playtime and a fight to the death?
I was busy thinking about cats, cats, cats. I was busy dreaming about cats, cats, cats.
सुनती हो थोड़ी चाय बना दो
नहीं मैं नहीं बना रही
अरे क्यों भाई
मुझे तुम्हें कुछ बताना है मैं प्रेग्नेंट हूँ और इन बच्चों का बाप जैकी है
अब और क्या कहना होगा हमने करना था जो वो कर लिया तुमने
That is the way it is. Yeah, tell me what I really want. So tell me what you really want. I wanna. I really wanna see you.
Soldier boy, tell 'em the dance flow silly. The ladies gon' feel me. The fellas in the back and they twisting up a filly. Get silly, get silly.
You only survive because I let you. You only exist because I allow it. Never forget that.
TT! What are you doing again? Are you kidding me? What are you doing?
I love cats
Wow, you can really dance. Wow, you can really dance. He went. They said we've both been dancing all this time. What a coincidence.
You're mine, and we belong together.
Why say a thing? Why say a trend? Why say a slang? I got why say a fame? I got dirty bird off the blame. I never heard of you. Don't.
La la la, whatever. La la la, it doesn't matter. La la.